Deborah Awyzio, has been practising family law for more than 15 years and was in court for this afternoon's decision. She joined me a short time ago from Brisbane. Deborah Awyzio, was this the decision that was expected today?
Yes, it certainly was expected in the legal fraternity. It really just confirms that the Hague Convention principles have been applied and upheld by the court.
You were in the court today. How emotionally charged was the environment?
The mother was very emotional upon the decision being delivered. She was upset, crying. The court had to be adjourned for a period of time to enable her to gather her emotions so that she could give instructions to her legal representatives.
The judge condemned the public nature of the mother's campaign. What did the legal fraternity make of that?
It's accepted in legal circles in the family court arena that it's not in the best interest of children for them to be exposed to scrutiny and to be involved in the conflict. And it's thought amongst legal professionals that it's not good for children to be drawn into the proceedings by engaging with the media. So that type of behaviour is never acceptable in the family court's eyes.
The daughters expressed an opposition to returning back to Italy. The judge said that that was not going to be taken into account. Why is that not taken into account, particularly when one of the girls is 15? Surely that's old enough to have an opinion as to what you want to do.
The judge also made a finding of fact that the children's wishes had been influenced by the mother or members close to in the mother's family. So he then said that those wishes had to be taken in that context, that they had been influenced, and also on the basis that the mother had expressed to the children that she would not be returning to Italy. And the judge found that it may be that she will decide to return to Italy.
What happens to the girls between now and when they return to Italy?
Well, an order was made this afternoon for a warrant to issue directed to the Australian Federal Police, and the Australian Federal Police are currently in the process of taking the girls into their possession, and they will then deliver them to a representative from the Department of Communities, who then has to make the arrangements for their return to Italy. So the order has immediate effect, and my understanding is that's the steps that would be being taken by the Federal Police at the moment.
Why would that happen, given that there's no suggestion that the mother has abused them or neglected them?
There was evidence before the court, and the judge referred to it in his judgment, about her not, well, not her, but members of her family not complying with court orders in the past. So it really, orders like that are made to ensure that the court's orders are given effect to. It's not a case that she's going to cause them any harm, but it's just a mechanism to ensure that the court's orders are given effect.
Are there any avenues of further appeal for the mother?
Yes, the mother can lodge an appeal against this decision. In fact, at the end of the judgment today, her legal representative sought for the order not to take effect immediately, indicating that she may file an appeal and an application to stay the return order. However, the judge said that that application would be dealt with if it was filed, and he didn't stay the execution of the order, so it remains in effect as of now.
Deborah Awyzio, thank you very much for making time to speak to us.
Thank you, Lee.